Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today is Thursday, August 8th, 2024. And I am broken down in Asheville, North Carolina, right outside Asheville. You've got to see these mountains. And it is currently raining, but it is so beautiful here. And you know, Hurricane Debbie, there's probably Tropical Storm Debbie now, I believe, is still with us. And the reason I'm doing this video is just to illustrate what life is like. I should be on my sailboat sailing. Well, actually, I wouldn't be sailing with this tropical storm, but my boat needs some things done to it. And I'm going to bring the boat to the repair marina on Tuesday of next week, I believe. And but I'm just doing a quick video, just so you know, hey, life is not all wine and roses for Mayberry Mini Trucks, but it's a matter of how quickly you ameliorate this set of circumstances. You know, in this case, it is my charging system has gone down, and I'm going to replace the alternator. And this is part of my journey. I'm like a pilgrim on a pathway. Literally, I am. And it's not about the dance in the end zone. It's not about the touchdown in life. It is about the journey. And this is part of my journey. And we will get this fixed. And my delivery, my first delivery is in Georgia, in, I believe it's called Talking Rock, Georgia. And so I will be detained. So I better get off this video platform here. But guys, thanks for watching our video. And you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit notification and the thumbs up if you like the video. I don't know why you would. Maybe you would like this video. And remember, it's about the journey, not the dance in the end zone. Thank you for watching our video.